for 15 minutes and then bored out of my mind for 8 hours.
Donna's big fat aunt is in town, so I can definitely go.
What? You want to tip over some cows?
Hell yeah! That was awesome.
I want to kiss that cow, but I don't want it to be my idea.
Hey, Peter, you should kiss that cow.
Okay, they're sleeping. We're gonna have to party in the bathroom. Be careful around the really fat one. He's kinda like my boss.
I see 3 young men who could use the tickle monster.
That's a bad read, Pete.
Joe, it's 3 in the morning. We're trying to get some sleep.
Here he comes. He's gonna get you. Look out.
Great. Now I'm fully up.
Here we are, guys. Niagara Falls. We showed them. We showed them all.
Showed who? What the hell's he talking about?
Wow. You know, when you see it up close, it really is incredible.
Yeah. Holy crap, it's beautiful.
Didn't I tell you guys it's the most magnificent place in the world? And the greatest place to end it all. Goodbye, fellas.
Oh my God, Joe killed himself!
It's so weird that he argued over the price of breakfast this morning.
Well, hang in there, Joe. We'll get some help.
No, just let me die.
Oh, no, can't do that, Joe. We're friends. We look out for each other.
Don't worry, Joe. They're coming for you.
Yay, my backpack!
Hang in there, Joe. After they get that lady's hat, you're next.
Joe, what the hell is wrong with you? Why would you try to kill yourself?
Why do you think? I'm worthless.
But you've been so happy these last few days.
I'm a cop who can't save anyone. I'm a husband in a legless marriage. My whole life is a joke.
The whole point of bringing us to Niagara Falls was just to kill yourself?
Well, I'm sorry I tricked you guys into coming. I just wanted to spend my last week with my best pals.
Yeah,